This is a step-by-step process of how to connect your Wizard One Supreme device to your vehicle in order to enjoy wireless CarPlay for both iOS and Android devices. Your package will include the device as well as two connectors. One connector will be a USB-C to USB connection in which the USB endpoint connects to your vehicle. The second connector will be a USB-C to USB-C. Now connect your USB-C endpoint to your Wizard One Supreme. Once connected, use your USB endpoint to connect to your vehicle. Once your device is connected to your vehicle, a color light will then appear in your Wizard One Supreme. You will also see the device's name appear on your CarPlay screen. To pair your device with your vehicle, enable Bluetooth on your mobile device. Then connect to the device's name appearing on your vehicle's screen. You will receive a pairing message asking to allow for pairing and CarPlay to be allowed. Finally, you will be able to enjoy wireless CarPlay with your iOS and Android devices using the Wizard One Supreme as you can see in the screen above.